Hey, Map here, Map Investments. So I'm gonna do a video, basically on what I did this week, um, market trends, what I saw in the market, and what stocks I saw with momentum. So let's go to the mobile app Thinkorswim, and let's go to the futures. See how the week ended. So the it's an interesting story. I always check the dollar. So let's look at the dollar here. The dollar's over 94, and the dollar's actually in an uptrend. But it's kind of weird. If you think about what's going on, the dollar is rising, and oil is hitting new highs. And remember, oil is priced in dollars. Commodities usually go down with a stronger dollar. So it's going to get very, very, very ugly because, I mean, if you're using common sense, I don't know about you, but when I go out there and I see all the inflation out there, I mean, around my neighborhood, there's no houses that are worth a shit that it's not $500,000. It's crazy. Apartments are 250,000. Go buy a used car. I think the cheapest used car that I can think of right now are maybe Versas and Fiestas, and they're like 15 grand, and they're used with miles. I think I saw General Motors. The average new price, I think it was $42,000, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, this is hyperinflation, man. This is not regular stuff. You go to Burger King, McDonald's, any combo, number one, number two, whatever combo you pick, with a soda pop, and you're at $10, $11, $12. The other day I went to BurgerFi. It's a new burger joint. Burger, onion rings, and a soda, $17. Go to Charlie's Steaks in the mall, $20 for a combo. I mean, it's really bad. Food inflation is crazy. Well, anyways, here is the currencies. Like I said, the dollar's up, so most of them probably are down. Bitcoin is at 50. I just did a crypto video, but it's hanging around 55,000. Oil, man, it's ugly, man. Oil's at $80, 7-year highs in oil. I'm sure all of you that follow markets and like economic news and you know follow trends and stuff like that saw that oil. They were talking about it, and you're having crisis of natural gas in Europe and in China. Energy costs are exploding all over the place. I mean, it can get scary, man. It can get scary. I don't, these guys think inflation is great. I mean, I don't like to pay for goods more money. I look for discounts. So there's Tejas. He just replied. He thank you for motivating me, Tejas, to do videos. So yeah, man, it's crazy, and they're suppressing the prices of metals. I'm a big fan of gold and silver. I think silver is probably one of the most undervalued assets in the world. But everybody knows that J.P. Morgan is playing the paper derivative game, and they can, they've been fined and everything. They've gone to court and Congress and everything, and they still get away with murder. These precious metals can be manipulated through the derivative market, through the futures derivative markets, selling contracts while they hoard the physical metal. So you go try and buy, spot. You try and buy silver. You're not gonna get it for $22. You go to my favorite website here, where I buy my stuff. You go to Amex, right? You wanna buy some gold, American Eagle. Here you go, 1875. The paper price is 1750. You want to pay with check or credit card here, 1900. You're gonna pay 1900 for gold. Beautiful American Eagle. You want a silver? Here's silver. American Eagle. Here you go. $32. Ain't not $22. It's $32 for the physical stuff. And it's been like that for a while. Here, we can get some buffaloes for 26, 27 when you pay with a credit card or whatever. So, you guys know where I stand with the metals. I love them, and been diversifying a little bit more into crypto. Not a crypto fan, but I guess you have to roll the punches and be diversified. Can't be hard headed and just stuck in your ways. You gotta adapt to die. So that's my 10 cents on that. So we talked about oil and the energy crisis. And I mean, natural gas is ridiculous, bro. It's the IV in natural gas right now, 78% IV rank. It's been bonkers. It's been anywhere from 550 to 650 up and down. So good trading. I might do some stuff in there. I think I did the UNG. We'll take a look at it. In regards to the markets didn't know what to do on Friday because the jobs report was just horrible. It was crappy, really really bad. And the market didn't know what to do, but the Fed's not gonna do anything. The Fed, they're trapped. They can't raise interest rates because of all the debt that we have. Um, it's just a bad scenario. So I like commodities. I like diversifying to cryptos, precious metals, foreign stocks. I think the China market's been beat up. We had some life in them. If I have some time, I'll go to bar chart and look at some of the movers. Um, this video might be a little long, so I might just do individual ones after this, individual stocks, or maybe go through my orders from last week. I just want to chime in on the overall trends. I don't think the market will go down because I think the Fed is still in play. Um, we do have earnings. Platinum and Palladium got a nice bid. We do have earnings around the corner starting to come up. Let's take a look at one of my favorite places here to take a look here at trending stocks. Um, Here we have trending XRP, AMP. I have AMP. Uh, I did a position in UMC. Is this? No, that's the other one. What else we got here? No, I don't have nothing else here. We're gonna go here and then go to earnings, view earning calendar. So next week there's not much, but then after that I think it start. Yeah. So you see, it starts getting busy on the 20th. So that's not too far away. So happy Halloween. We're gonna have a happy Halloween with all these earnings around the corner. So it'll be interesting to see how these companies chime in on the supposedly transitory inflation that the bullcrap Fed uh, is keeps saying, and they've already admitted that they don't even. It's gonna stay here for a while. Rates did climb. Interest rates did climb, and it climbed a little bit from their lows. So the 10-year and 30-year have gone up a little bit. We could take a look here on CNBC where those rates are at. Markets, bonds. So the 10-year is at 1.6, and the 30 years at 2.16. And they've gone up a little bit. Probably could put up the chart. You can see the 5-day chart has gone up from. Hold on, it's updating. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to take a Claritin. What happened here? Here you go. This is a 5-day from like a 150 to 16, and here's the month. I think it got to 120, 130. There you see. So the rates have gone up in the last month. The rates have gone up, and here's the 30-year bond. It's gone up. Rates have gone up, and rates are not going up because the economy is doing good. Rates are going up because of inflation. Rates go up when people sell bonds. So when you sell bonds, rates go up. So people are selling bonds because Obviously, inflation is killing the bonds. All a bond is an IOU to give you money back in future dollars. But if inflation's running 6%, more or less, based on the last report, and it might be higher, and you got a 30-year bond at 1.85, well, what are we doing? You sell that crap. It's getting destroyed. So that's what's happening with the bonds. So that's interest rates. The grains have been pretty pretty much in a consolidation mode. Wheat being the strongest one out of all of them. Corn, wheat, and soybeans. I was gonna chime in on something else. I'm trying to think. Oh, on the meats. The meats have been going up. Well, hogs is down, but I think the feeders and the cattle have been higher. Yeah, so meat prices are pretty up there. Um, that's just an overview of the futures, the derivatives. Um, you also have Bitcoin here futures as well. You have the big one in the micro, which is the MBT here. Um, that's pretty much it. That's the overview of the market and the economic news. Like the video, share it. I'm gonna do some on my trades for this week from the 4th through yesterday on the momentum stocks that I saw out there. I still like Alibaba as undervalued play. I think Warren Buffett's Buffett's friend Munger got some in there, and it had a nice move up in that stock. Anyways, have a good night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.